Hey everybody, this is Rob with TerraXplore, here to help break down some of the frequently asked questions that we get about our different charging solutions. The things that we offer currently are the C10000, C12000, and D14000 all-in-one generator. In this video, I'm going to break down the differences in how you configure the chargers, as well as what their intended applications are. The C10000 is a bit older unit with a lot of versatility in the ways that you can configure it. The most basic setup is going to be using a standard wall adapter that's going to draw 120 volts from your regular US wall outlet. This is going to take about 45 minutes to charge, and if you want to set this system up for fast charging, you can either do it on single phase or three phase. Along with the charger, you're going to get two adapter cables. If you wire one of these in to your power supply, just from the wall, at 120 volts, you'll need a 16 or 20 amp breaker, and that'll allow you to charge with the one cable on a hard line, permanent line, in about 45 minutes. If you double that and have 220 volt single phase inputs, you can fast charge at 9,000 watts, but you are going to need to install a higher breaker because it requires a 24 amp breaker. Additionally, you can also wire both of these connections in to a single phase or three phase generator at 220 volts. The C10000 is going to require an adapter cable to go to the T60 as well as T100 batteries. This adapter slots in onto the T50 style connector. So overall, the C10000 has a little bit of extra complexity depending on how you want to set it up, but it's going to give you the most versatility out of any of the options that we have here. Now the C12000 charger is going to be a very similar system to the C10000. It's a little bit newer, has some updated features and hardware, but it's going to limit you on what you're able to do. The C12000 is designed for a 220 volt single phase input, which is not something that we have commonly in the US. So if you want to plug this in for slow charging, you're going to have an electrician set up a special wiring system for you. But in general, what we recommend is use this as your field charger alongside a generator. For the C12000, you're going to have a three-phase connection, a single cable, so it's relatively simple and streamlined to plug into your generator. You're also not going to have the battery adapter cable that you would with the C10000. You've got a bit of extra length as this is designed to be hooked into your generator and mounted somewhere on the generator's cradle or chassis, so that way you can move everything around easily. And this brings us to our D14000 generator. The generator is an all-in-one solution. It has a C12000 charger integrated within the generator system itself. This generator uses the flight battery as a starter battery, so you don't need to have anything to crank the generator itself. Also, you don't have a ripcord, and this is going to supply fast charging without any setup. It's gasoline, runs on about a 14-gallon tank, which is going to give you around 4 hours of continuous runtime on the generator, and you'll be able to charge 28 or so batteries, depending on if they're fully drained or not. Another nice feature with the generator is that this has an AC pass-through, so if the generator is running, you have AC current supplied to a 120 volt outlet, or you can also, with a flight battery that is charged, connected to the charging cable, you can turn on the battery, click your generator start button 3 times, you'll hear a click, and then your pass-through mode will be enabled. The generator doesn't turn on, doesn't have to run, but you have 40 amp hours of power that you can use however you like through that 120 volt outlet. Hopefully, this has helped break down some of the misunderstandings about the differences between these three chargers. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and if you feel like I missed something, please leave us a comment down below. Thanks for watching.